Today I'm going to show you how to update printer by using the laptop. For this one I'm using m3035 version. You can download the firmware from HP side or just search it on Google. M3035f firmware. Sorry, I just double tapped M. Okay, here you go. First website give you the link of this description. Okay, here my printer model number, everything's here. So I have to select an OS. I'm using Windows version and using XP 32-bit. Whatever version your Windows have, just download from here. Firmware versions are these 30, 35, 1 MB, 4 and something like that. So I just download this one already. So let's start. My printer is connected by a network, so when I try to open, it shows me my printer. So this one is my printer. Sorry for. So here is my printer. Just have to select this one and send this file. It asks you null contacts or during procedure. Wait, I'm gonna directly connect my printer and then start it again.